we've lived together for already
10
like
years?
Yeah.
almost 10
Almost 10
years.
years.
It's been a few years since chart-topping K-pop group BLACKPINK blew up the music scene. The four ladies in the group are still super close, even cooking and picking out clothes together. But do they still live together in their shared luxury dorm? In this video, we will see where Jennie, Rosé, Lisa, and Jisoo call home, as well as any of their solo homes. In these videos, we don't reveal any addresses, and even though I've done a house tour of my own place, please do not show up at any private residences because it's not safe for anyone. BLACKPINK is a South Korean girl group formed by YG Entertainment, made up of four members: Jisoo, Jennie, Rosé, and Lisa. They had their debut in 2016, and it seems that after their first album, Square One, BLACKPINK simply blew up. The K-pop girls lived with their parents before signing with YG, and reports claim that each member is worth about $8 million now, so they could potentially live by themselves. However, as of May 2020, Lisa reported that the four girls still live together, and they have been since before 2016. It's no doubt that so many years living together have made Jisoo, Jennie, Lisa, and Rosé more like sisters. Hey guys, it's Kara the Vampire Slayer back with another exclusive house tour here on Famous Entertainment, this one on the ladies of BLACKPINK. If you like this video, check out our recent drops on the homes of EXO and BTS, which we'll link to at the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to chat. Now let's get into this video. While we know very few details about the individual members of BLACKPINK's real estate investments, we do know a bit about Jennie's home. Even though it's said the ladies still share their luxury dorm, which we'll check out shortly, some members have revealed that they also purchased their own place too, one of them being Jennie. In January 2021, Jennie started a YouTube channel, and her first video was titled Hello World from Jennie, a vlog talking about what she does when she's at home, as well as singing a self-made cover of When Will My Life Begin. During the video, Jennie showed off parts of her new house, which fans also got a peek at via Instagram. We can see some of her dining nook and garden, her bedroom, as well as where her beloved pups get to eat. One curious fan reportedly went so far to discover the location of Jennie's new crib. It appears that the BLACKPINK star is living in the house in Yuan Village in Hanam-dong, a residential neighborhood for the Korean elite. Jennie's luxury house is 2 stories at around 4,800 square feet and boasts 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It would have cost around $5 million to $6 million if estimates are correct. We can see the K-pop star is living like a princess. There's a large living room where one side of the space has soaring double-height ceilings and stairs to the upper level, kind of like a loft. The one wall also offers floor-to-ceiling glass for plenty of sunshine. Jennie's home seems to have a modern open-plan interior and a sleek look. Other rooms we've caught a glimpse at so far include her laundry room, where she gets some chores done, as well as a music corner where she keeps her instruments, such as her keyboard. We also know that rapper of the group Lisa has some property of her own. This BLACKPINK lady hails from Thailand, but it seems she has come a long way from that lifestyle while never becoming too good for it. Ever since Lisa Manoban was little, her grandparents took care of her, and they lived in one of the northeastern provinces in Thailand called Buriram. Despite her fame in South Korea, Lisa has never forgot her roots in Thailand, respecting those who made her into the person she is today, especially her grandparents and family. Besides reportedly owning a luxury apartment of her own in Seoul, Lisa is also known to have a simple house in Thailand. In fact, this house in Thailand is where her grandparents still live, and it's shaped like a house on stilts, which is a traditional design here, depending on the tropical climate of the area. Lisa's childhood home appears to be tall and quite big, and there's another room under the house as well. However, we also caught glimpses on Twitter of what appears to be the luxury estate Lisa has set her family up back at home these days. And if that's the new home, it looks like a mansion. Since she moved to Seoul, of course, Lisa also had to purchase herself a place here, which came in the form of a luxury apartment. When she's not living at the BLACKPINK dorm, she can be found here, and her home is located in a private luxury neighborhood. On YouTube, we have seen a bit of Lisa's apartment, and it's full of light brown wood colors on the floors and walls. Here, Lisa also owns 5 pet cats. Other features include a simple and dark brown dining table, as well as a clean and minimalistic kitchen with a white, gray, and black color scheme. Elsewhere in the apartment, she even has a mini photo studio with equipment to do a personal shoot at home. Like most K-pop idols, the girls of BLACKPINK have lived in dorms throughout their careers, and the group attracted attention for living in a luxury apartment featured on a series of reality shows or BLACKPINK House. But the girls didn't always live in such luxury. Members had previously lived together in smaller spaces with poor condition. Rose recently shared her pre-debut dorm on a TV series, and she was sharing this room with another singer and actress. Rose also said this wasn't new to her, and when she first came to Korea, once she even lived in a more cramped apartment with cockroaches. Also, on an episode of the reality show 24365 with BLACKPINK, the team revealed how they once had to live with roaches and millipedes, with Lisa being the only one brave enough to catch them. These days, the 4 ladies live in a much more lavish dorm than those old apartments, and no cockroaches anywhere to be seen. BLACKPINK lives in the Han River Bamseom Apartments in Seoul, South Korea, which is a very prestigious complex. The city is full of modern skyscrapers, palaces, street markets, and more, and of course, they also live near all the other K-pop celebs. Here, the girls get a view of the beautiful Han River. Not to mention, Jennie once posted a photo showing one view from the dorm, and here you can fully see the city. The listings for a 4-bedroom suite at the Han River Bamseom start at over $10K per month to rent, and for purchase, it would have cost in the multi-million-dollar range easily. BLACKPINK's dorm is spacious, and by the looks of the floor plan, there are at least 4 bedrooms, meaning each girl has their own room. It also looks like there's a separate bathroom for each of them as well. The girls tend to keep a lot about their home private, which is understandable, but they have given some glimpses inside, and we can at least see how each of them decorated their rooms. Since the ladies have been living together for so long, they know each other's habits so well. For example, the girls even bought Lisa a mini fridge so she doesn't have to leave her room for a drink. The ladies still buy their own real estate and travel despite sharing a space too. During a documentary, Lisa shared that one day she dreams to move to Paris, while Jennie, well, she would love to live in the United States for a while. Alright, so now that we have some details on where the ladies of BLACKPINK call home, I'm gonna end this house tour. We not only saw a bit of the girls' shared luxury dorm in Seoul, but we also got to see Jennie's beautiful and modern house, as well as what we know about Lisa's living situations. If you fans know anything else about where these 4 ladies call home, be sure to let me know down in the comments. What did you think about where BLACKPINK lives? Was it everything you expected? Would you like to live with your best friends and bandmates for so long? Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to chat, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!